landing in London Heathrow. It is... Yeah, we are. It is 9:50 local time. This is an Airbus A320. I think it was a very, very beautiful approach. We flew right over downtown London. We got to see everything. And now we're on final approach for London Heathrow. It seems like we're so fast with this airplane. Everything we do is fast with this airplane.
It's so long. We're landing in 10.
No, we're not even close to the runway. 3, 2, 1. 1. In a one, shout. No. 1. Whoa.
Meine Damen, meine Herren, herzlich willkommen in London Heathrow. Bitte halten Sie Ihren Sitzgurt noch so lange geschlossen, bis die Triebwerke abgestellt wurden und die Anschnallzeichen über Ihnen erloschen sind. Kapitän Henkel und seine Besatzung möchten sich nun hier von Ihnen verabschieden. Wir bedanken uns, dass Sie für Ihren heutigen Flug die Lufthansa und Starlines gewählt haben und wir wünschen Ihnen jetzt noch ein schönes verbleibendes Wochenende. Im Namen der gesamten Besatzung sagen wir vielen Dank, tschüss und auf Wiedersehen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the engines and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Captain Henkel and his crew would like to say goodbye to you. Thank you for choosing Lufthansa and Starlines tonight. We wish you a nice weekend. Say thank you and bye-bye.
When there were the only people there, they kept on jumping around, running around the whole theater. I'm going to practice on it.
Local time in Great Britain, 9:53 p.m. Die lokale Zeit hier in Großbritannien, meine Damen und Herren, ist eine Stunde früher als in Deutschland, also jetzt 21 Uhr und 53 Minuten.
That's not... They kept on... My little brother, I just can't imagine him in an airplane.
How many brothers do you have?
Him and my little brother.
There's 7. Oh, he's 7.
He was surprised.
Huh?
There's 7.
That's what I thought I heard.
Every airplane we went into,
But it's not as bad as the one before.
5 minutes later.
Thank God we had headphones.
Commercial? 8. Actually, they land on lakes.
Does it go on Alaska Airlines?
When you're in Alaska, you fly Alaska Airlines like that, because it's leading to Anchorage to another city in Alaska. They'll put you on a pedal tilt and you actually take off from the water.
They don't have like, oh, but the runways.
It's mostly Alaska. They land and take you to lakes, and you just land on the lake.
And if you land in the water,
You have big old punches in the water and they go down the lake.
So, meine Damen und Herren, ich bitte Sie, auf Ihren Sitz mit geschlossenen Sitzgurten sicher sitzen zu bleiben. Wir haben unsere Parkposition noch nicht erreicht. Die ist noch durch ein anderes Flugzeug belegt. Wir versuchen im Moment gerade eine alternative Parkposition zu organisieren. Das wird noch einen Moment dauern, solange bitte ich Sie sitzen zu bleiben und bitte auch um Ihre Geduld. Ladies and gentlemen, we have not yet reached our parking position. Our parking position at the moment is still occupied by another aircraft. We are in contact with the airport authorities to get another position. Therefore, I ask you to remain on your seats with your seat belts fastened. And I have to ask you for your patience also. Thank you.
no, it's actually a pretty good flight.